Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scotland Ray Marketing. Today, I want to go over with you how to create and schedule a social post in Command using a Canva design. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is, of course, log into our Command platform, and we want to navigate to our new marketing applet. Okay, so there's a new applet that is called Marketing. It is a combination of your old designs applet and your campaigns applet merged into one. Okay, so we're going to head there to Marketing. You'll notice this does look different. You still have your dashboard. You still have access to paid ads, email campaigns, social post campaigns, and direct mailer campaigns. You do still have designs. However, this has changed. It is strictly limited to email designs. So if you are looking to create print marketing, social post graphics, you're going to want to use your Canva account for those items and then pull them into Command to use. So the first thing we want to do is we want to hit create in Canva, okay? Now I'm not going to create a design fully, but we're going to find a social post and edit a couple of things, and then we're going to pull that in, okay? And to keep things simple, let's go ahead and use this one at the very top of our Canva account. So we're going to go ahead and click on this one. Now you'll see this is a just listed. I'm going to leave this pretty much the way it is. I'm not going to customize too much on here, but of course, go ahead and customize your photo, change your name, your logo, all of that good stuff. Edit your listing information. But then what we're going to do is we're going to take this graphic that we'd like to post to social posts and we're going to download it. Okay. So I'm going to hit download. We're going to go to PNG and we're going to simply download this to our computer. Okay. We're going to give it a second. And once it's downloaded, we should see that at the top of our computer. And we're going to go back to our Command and Marketing. And we're going to head into social posts. Okay. Now from here, we're going to click in the top right corner to create a social post. And then this is where you're going to connect or select the accounts that you'd like to post this to. So when it comes to social posts, you can post to Instagram, Facebook, and X. Any of those that you've connected in your settings, you should see available for you to connect and post to. Okay. I'm going to select all three just for example. As I select those, you'll see I have a preview of each of them on the right-hand side, and then I can start building out my content. Okay. Now to build our content, we can go ahead and type whatever text we'd like into the text box. We can add different emojis if we'd like to. And then below that, or next to that, we have the option to add media. Okay. So let's go ahead and click that add media. When we do that, it's going to give us the option to browse files. Okay. Now that's going to browse any files that are on your computer. Okay. Since I recently downloaded this, I also can drag and drop an image. So we're going to click on this little download option in our browser, and I'm going to drag this image that we just downloaded and drop it right there. Now, as you can see, it's kind of cropping our image. However, our image is not a perfect square. So we want to adjust this to be free. Okay. We want to do the whole photo. So now that I've done that, everything is on there. It's not cropping anything off or chopping anything off. So I'm going to go ahead and select crop image. And as you can see now, my photo is appearing in all of my previews. Okay. Now I can add whatever text I want. We can say just listed, whatever you want to type here. We'll keep it really simple for today. Just put just listed, and let's find a little house, plug that in. Like to use the little emoji. But whatever else you want to type here, if you want to add a link, anything like that, you can go ahead and add that. You can also add additional photos. If you have multiple images, you can add those, as you can see, and drop other photos or upload them. You can also include your ownership statement or your DBA. If you did not include those on your actual image, you can add them. It's going to apply them at the very bottom, and you'll have a little bit of a fade. So if you added them already to your design, you are good to go. As you can see, this already has them. And then from there, you can either publish this to go out right away or schedule it for a specific date and time. Okay. And that is how you will use your Canva account now to pull in those designs and create social posts. Hopefully this class or this tip video was helpful. If you do have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. And we're here and happy to help. Have a wonderful day and see you later.